Welcome back to another MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman. We're visiting speech to text today, so we're going to use a mixture of XAMN Pro and XRY. And in a recent webinar we ran, we were asked a question about processing audio files from other tools. So we wanted to show you a quick way of dealing with that. Currently we're looking at some messages, and I've filtered on audio here so I can filter all of the audio content in those messages. And for example, we've got an audio message here, and we could of course play it, but at the moment speech to text hasn't been run. Now, of course, at the moment, we've got 892 items in this list. So, of course, in XAMN, we could export those files, make sure we're unfiltered, and then they would filter out to a folder. So how do we then process this in XRY for speech to text? We simply come into Create Case, go to Device Extraction, and manually find devices. Now, device type here, I would go for disk, and then simply you want disk or memory card, and then we want to import. And if we edit action, you've got to make sure in your decoding that you've run speech to text. Now this is also a good way of, if you've got a really big extraction, you don't want to run speech to text over the entire extraction, you can of course do it this way as well. So once we've hit run speech to text, we go to next, select if we want Python scripts, give the details, and then you want to choose a folder. Point it to the folder where your extractions are, and then you'll deal with the items that have come over as speech to text. And to save time, here is one I made earlier. Here is that exact message, and we can show that this is the exact message because it was the 18th of the 8th, 2024 at 16:01. And here we go. This one's UTC time. When we go to the message, you can see that it's now been transcribed. We hope that you've enjoyed today's MSAB Monday, and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.